What is up, people? And good morning. I'm out here on a hunt for a waterfall. It's not the most beautiful of waterfalls, but I'm going to try to get creative and create maybe something abstract, because I've been here before and I know it's not that possible to get the whole waterfall in one picture. And so I'm going to try to use a zoom lens to try to get up tight and get the water spilling over some rocks. I don't know if it's a logging company or what they do out here, but there's horns that keep going off. And so I don't know if people are really meant to come out to this waterfall. There's a few out here, but I'm going to this one specific one because I think it'll make for the best See, I don't know if you guys can hear that. They're like chopping wood or something. Let's get at it and have a good old-fashioned morning hike. Oh man, coming up on the waterfall. I could smell it and hear it. And it's huge, my God. It's perfect for what I came here for. You see it? Alright, we're here and the water level is perfect today. You can see this little spot right here where the water is trickling down. That makes for a perfect photo, at least the one I'm trying to get today. Nice abstract, zoomed in, where I'm gonna just kind of crop out that section particularly. I've got it set up here and I think it's working. I'm going to take the photo in a little bit. First off, I've got my Nikon 85mm lens. It's a prime lens. 85mm is all it does. And so I kind of zoom with my body. I found a good spot that's a good focal range, and I've got my polarizer on, and I've got a 6-stop ND filter on, and I've got the polarizer dialed to the right point to where there's not as much glare on the rock. It just takes glare away. And so I'll take my photo now. I got 10-second exposure at f/14 at ISO 100 with my filters on, and I will take So I went ahead and packed up. It was very misty over there, so I didn't want to get too soaked. It's really loud, a really powerful waterfall, but I was able to make a photo work over there, and I think it's a potential to sell on my website as a print. And so hopefully that works when I get home and edit it. You guys have seen it by now, and so hopefully you're saying, wow. I'm exhausted. This hike is short, but it's like hilly. So that does it for today's photography session. I hope you guys enjoyed that, maybe helped provide some inspiration as to getting outdoors and enjoying a nice lovely morning hike, catching some waterfalls. Do it. Get outside. And so until next time, I will see you on the flippity. The contrast of the white and then the black rock is pretty good. And in 10 seconds, hopefully there's glory. And you know what, guys? I hope you all have a great day. You can find some inspiration. Oh.